And it looks like I'm recording. This is Lisa Allen with Timing Magic with Lisa and timingmagic.com. And I am back with another tutorial. This time I'm going to be talking about, and I'll drop the banner. Okay. Impatience means that you don't trust the universe. So I have to say that when some of us are opening up our psychic skills and our psychic abilities, we feel kind of like we are just impatient and we want things to like just come in without, having to wait. We think like, oh, well, if it exists in, the other planes, it should exist right now in 3D. And I will tell you that as much as like we would love that in some ways, in other ways, it actually might end up inhibiting you. Sometimes us waiting is actually the very thing that allows us to see that that's not what we really want. If you were, just angry about something and then just said something that, you didn't mean, you end up manifesting it right away, and that could be a problem. So it is a good thing that we are in a sense not only allowed to wait, but that it's just part of the structure of 3D. It's just the unfoldment of time that works in this plane, that's what we're dealing with. But when we get into a situation where we become impatient about what is happening, what is being brought to us, Spirit says, this person doesn't trust me. This person is demanding that this happen in a specific way and at a specific time, and isn't understanding like that there is actually a really good plan that is even better for that person if they just relax and let Spirit deliver what Spirit wants to deliver. And so what'll happen is that, well, since Spirit thinks that you're not trusting, like, okay, that person doesn't trust Spirit, doesn't trust me, I guess I won't be delivering that thing because they don't trust me. So impatience actually makes you wait longer than you would if you were just regular, just in the flow, just relaxing and allowing Spirit to do what it does. Now, I will say the one thing that you do want to do is make your intentions to the universe very clear and very succinct, but also to give permission to Spirit to deliver something even better. And then literally just let it go and allow Spirit to do the thing. And chances are, in my experience, it's usually better. We think we know what we want, because our conscious mind thinks that I want this or I want that. And lately, I will tell you that we've had a lot of, comments coming in from people that are like really impatient from wanting to hear from a particular person that they feel like is their like next partnership. And it turns out that that is not supposed to be their next partnership, and that Spirit has a better alignment. But if you are so focused on that only that thing, okay, and then you're not patient, Spirit will just go, well, I guess that we'll just wait until this person comes around and figures it out. And the thing is that if you don't figure that out, you may never get what you want. At least in, the way that, that it seems like with, like it could be years or, just a really long time later. So this video is to help you with that. Now, one of the techniques that I was showing some people were, this is batch flower remedy, and this one is larch, but there is literally one that is called impatience, and it's spelled a little bit differently than the word impatience, but it's used for impatience. If you take that flower essence, you may find that you start like relaxing, and letting spirit flow and bring you what you want. And so in the meantime, though, use the energy for just planning your intentions and also releasing anything that is in the way that might not be allowing things in. So if you're holding on to things, okay, or if, like the other day with me, I accidentally had closed some of my receiving channels, like accidentally, just, through not being clear with my intentions to the universe. And so I literally accidentally closed some things that I actually need open. So again, it's about being open for receiving and making sure our energy is clear. And one of the videos that I'll be doing, I just did a grounding one recently. I also want to do one for clearing our energy and cutting cords, because that will also help us to receive energy properly and receive what it is that we are intending from the universe. So that's it for today. Hopefully that message is really important for you and can help you. And I look forward to serving you. If you need a consultation to get your timing, check me out. I've got my links below. You can go to my link tree. It's linktr.ee dot /timing magic. So you can do that or go to timingmagic.com, and I've got consultations and I have ways to contact me if you want to have readings in a different way or pay me with Venmo, Cash App, things like that. So I will talk to you later. Take care. And I hope that you have all the manifestation for 2022 that is coming to you. Bye-bye.